I was gonna say. Hey, what's up, Jayden Hunt, and this is my SEF Mobile Bike Shop bike check. We have a Hucker frame right here, 21-inch S&M wide mouth forks, Credence XL bars, the S&M Hoder grips, my favorites. Got fit blunt cranks, 170. The S&M guard sprocket, 28 tooth. Odyssey twisted pro pedals. S&M pivotal post.
Nice.
The S&M camo pivotal seat. We also got the S&M Speedball rear tire is 2.25 with a Merit FT1 front tire 2.3, size 2.3. Odyssey anagram cassette with G Sport. The birdcage rim. Odyssey Bandero Pro front hub with birdcage rim. Odyssey and Colt pegs, and Odyssey cable, gyro, and lever, and demolition brakes.
Nice,
Pretty
dude.
much it.
All right, Jay. What kind of shoes you rocking when you ride?
Scotty Kramers.
Scotty Kramers. Those are
Old, muddy. My building shoes.
Yeah, those are tight. They match your whole bike, dude.
know,
With the
that's what
green
I'm saying
laces, the green laces with the grips.
I know.
Dude. Yeah, dude.